Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can do the factory data reset on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra by using the settings. So, of course, the first thing that we need to do is open the settings. Then in the settings, we want to scroll all the way down to find general management, and then let's go over here. Scroll one more time and go to reset, and one more time, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will find factory data reset. Tap on this option. Over here you will find the information about this whole process, so of course you will lose everything that you have on this device, so make sure to make a backup of everything that is important to you. And then just press reset and then confirm by pressing delete all. And then the device will shut down, and once it starts up one more time, then you will begin the initial configuration. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!